Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we will explore how to round a number to a specific number of digits in JavaScript. We'll use Method.round in a unique way to handle floating point precision issues. Let's dive in. JavaScript sometimes struggles with rounding due to floating point arithmetic. For example, let round 1.005 times 100 divided by 100 may not return 1.01. Let's see how we can fix this using scientific notation. This function converts the number into a scientific notation, rounds it, and then converts it back. This prevents floating point errors and ensures accurate rounding. This approach eliminates floating point errors by leveraging scientific notation. The key idea is shifting the decimal, rounding, and shifting it back. Looking at examples, you can see how rounding processes work. This method ensures consistent and accurate rounding for any number. Rounding is essential in many applications, whether you're working with money, statistics, or scientific data. Having precise control over decimal places is crucial. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to round numbers accurately in JavaScript using scientific notation. Try using this technique in your own projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.